Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up abandoned cart email Shopify. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first we need to open up any browser and search for shopify.com. Now tap on login from the top right and wait for it to load. Now select My Store. From here, tap on Marketing and then choose Automations. After that, tap on Create Automation. As you can see, automation requires subscription and I am now using a free trial. So I will just walk you through the process. So what you need to do is you have to go to Create Automation and there you will find the option Abandoned Cart Email. You just have to activate it and after that it will be shown on your settings. You can also edit settings and it will allow you to add different settings for your checkout. And by that, you can also do a lot of automations as well as setting up your own email. This feature is now turned on by default on Shopify. So you will find it in the automation section if you have the subscription.